Bienvenidos from Mexico. I was gonna say Puerto Vallarta, but I'm not in Puerto Vallarta. I am north? Yeah. I'm in a little, or outside of a little town called Sayulita, which is a little surf town and mountain bike town apparently too, because they've got a really good little, I mean, for Mexico, a really good little bike rental shop where I picked this guy up. So I just got done climbing, and I think I'm gonna lap a couple of the trails up here. I don't really know what I found because Trail Forks is almost accurate at best. Gonna go down this one first and see where it goes. Got a little drop to start off with, a little tiny baby drop. Oh yeah. Oh man, I don't know where these are. You guys could build some berms. Wouldn't kill you. Oh. Oh, and there goes the chain again. Oh, yeah, this thing. Oh, that would have been a nice rock garden to cross. Okay, I got it. Whoa, maybe not. This is just a roller? Whoa. I think I should have rolled it slower. Okay. Ooh, these brakes, man. My brakes are pulling. Oh. No. Or I mean, yeah, they're still locking up. Ooh.
You're fine, man.
Oh. Woo! Oh my God. Yeah, that's definitely steep right there. That tree is crazy looking.
Yeah.
God, look at this jungle. These trees are crazy looking. Old.